Probably the biggest thing that I'm looking forward to this year with the Nagios World Conference is getting to see everybody again. Getting to get out and talk to people, especially those that actually get to use our stuff, is really cool to experience. As much as everybody gets to see all the new fun stuff that we have going on, we get to interact with everyone directly, see what's working, what's not working, what we could be doing better. I'd say if you're on the fence about coming to the conference, come, because it is much more than just here's what the products can do kind of thing. As much as I do enjoy getting to, present and watch everyone else's presentations, there's a lot of fun activities, a lot of cool after-hours events. Topic I am looking forward to a lot is pretty much anything Nagios Fusion. We've got a lot of exciting stuff coming up this year, so I'm very much looking forward to getting to share it with everyone.